Chair on Transportation, Senator Tom Atta, the two property parcels have excellent revenue-generating potential. However, it seems that the port has had difficulty in realizing that. For the Cementon lease parcel, the port estimates about $1 million annually from potential revenue. It was in 2009 the company issued a press release announcing plans for a bulk cement terminal that would provide support to the local construction industry and the construction boom anticipated with the military buildup. Although Cementon Micronesia had constructed a cement facility costing approximately $20 million, it has been unable to commence operations. That's because Mobile Guam would be impacted because of its master operational lease agreement with the port on parts of the property. Evidently, there are issues regarding protecting Mobile's assets along with liability.
Did anybody from the previous board or the employees contact Mobile before we made this lease agreement with Cementon and have them commit $20 million to on a site where they were going to have a problem with the last 100 feet?
Well, I know that the legislature was involved in this particular endeavor, having approved something that's beyond a 5-year lease, which is the limitation that's been imposed upon the Port Authority of Guam with regards to any particular leases.
Port Board Chairman Dan Tydinko was referring to Bill 442, passed by majority vote by senators in the 30th Guam legislature. He, along with Port General Manager Mary Torres, assured the committee that they are working with Mobile to address the issues, adding they are not getting any pushback from the company and that Mobile conceptually agrees with the development. As for Hotel Wharf, port officials testified the rent that can be generated from this parcel of property was $237,000. Lawmakers were surprised as their estimations pegged it generating about $1 million in rent. But Torres and Tydinko reminded lawmakers that the legislature in 2007 passed the port's master plan, which limited the use of this particular property for fishing facilities and for dinner cruises. But of particular concern to senators was why the Port Authority of Guam did not place the Hotel Wharf property on its notices issued in June and August of this year of areas available for lease, license, or permit. It was in May 2008 a lease agreement with YTK was terminated, and based on the port's legal counsel Mike Phillips, it appeared the agreement is legally questionable because it was without legislative approval. Senator Ben Pangilinan, however, remained concerned that there may be an ulterior motive in taking Hotel Wharf off the inventory of properties for lease.
Okay, so the board has no intention of and is not entertaining any other action than proceeding with that the lease has been terminated.
That's already been described, and
no other parties have an interest.
That's been already described over there and on previous occasions.
Then I'm asking you to reaffirm that, Mr. Tedinko.
It's been reaffirmed. I don't know how much more or affirmation you need.
Okay. We will watch it very carefully then.
Certainly.
All right.
According to Torres, the reason Hotel Wharf was taken off the list of available properties for lease was so that a thorough assessment could be conducted on its structural integrity.
It was a management decision to do our due diligence so that we understood what product we were putting out there and what its condition was. Yeah, essentially, because it had been in a state of disrepair.